Okay, so how to download it? Go to the main icon, home. Here, in the flag symbol, you can click flag symbol. Click on flag symbol. After clicking on flag symbol, you will come down. Somewhere download links would be there. Okay, so fontawesome.com. Start for free is going to start page. Okay, no problem. So we can write here fontawesome.com/download. Fontawesome.com/download. Enter. Fontawesome.com/download. Okay, so open the URL. Whoever log in now, they should open this URL. I send in your chat. You can click on that and open directly. Come down below. It's written call free for web. Free for web button is there. You can click on that. Free for web. Download free for web. Okay, downloaded. Next, after this folder is in zip folder. This folder is in zip format. This folder is in zip format. This folder is in zip format. You will do the right click on this and extract all, or maybe extract here, extract all, whichever option come. Click on that, extract all. Extract all. Click on extract button. So what is the use of extract? It will do unzip. It was in zip format. You have to unzip, then only you can use the files. Zip, you know what is the meaning of zip? Zip file. Same thing, extract meaning is zip content. Extract meaning is unzip. Okay, so extracted. Now under the extracted folder, you will find so many files. CSS, JS, less, metadata, SCSS, many are inside. So this extracted file, extracted folder, main folder. See, main folder is become as a font awesome free, right? Inside you have list of the folder like this. Main folder you can rename as icon. Main folder you rename as icon because a small folder will be easy to call. Large folder name, file folder name we have to write. A spelling mistake will happen. It will not call. Keep a small name. Call as a icon. Okay. Folder we got icon folder. Now copy this icon folder and keep in your CSS folder. One folder you keep in external. You can paste here. One folder you keep in. Okay, let's keep under the external only as of now. And the external CSS folder you need to copy and paste that folder. Icon folder just now you have renamed. Where it was? It was in download folder. This folder we extracted. After extracting, we got the folder that we are renamed as icon. Now icon folder you copy and paste under the which folder? External. Third folder is external CSS. Okay, hope done everyone. Now come to the icon folder. Under the icon folder, go to the CSS folder. Under the CSS folder, you have one file all.css. Open this file. Right click and open in editor. This file. Right click and open in editor. Come down. You will find a lot of classes are there inside. how we have written our own class. Similar way, list of the classes are written in this file. This classes is made by the people who have written this file, CSS file. In this file, benefit is without writing the code, you will get the name of the class, and that name of the class we can use inside our project everywhere. Okay, and that will give the different type of icon. Now suppose there is a class called fa-1x. fa-1x, if you call this class, the font size will be 1 em. 1 em equal to should be 16 pixel. Let me check once. 1 em equal to 1 em equal to how much? Yeah. 1 em is equal to 16 px. So you can see here font size 1 em meaning 16 pixel. If you call the class called fa-2x, the font size will be 2 em 32. fa-3x 3 em 36, right? No, not 36, 48. 48. And these classes are till here, till fa-10x. 10x will go how much? 160. 160 pixel. So that is the size of the icon. A small icon, big icon, medium icon. How bigger we want, we can call from here. Next, name of the icons. Come down. If you call fa-border, border will get apply surrounding. If you call the class called fa-pull left, float left class will get apply. fa-pull right, float right will get apply. Some more are there, meaningful classes. So many are there, but all will not give a direct idea. Coming down, let me come little down. Okay, you can see in this, there is a classes here called fa-arrow down symbol will come. Arrow fa-sort numeric ascending, some sorting kind of icon will come. Same way, in this file, nearly multi-thousand icons are there. Those icons we can use in our project free of cost. Then next we have to understand how to use these icons. These classes are written how to use this. Okay, how to use these classes in our project so that it should give some kind of design. Okay, some kind of icons. So first let's see the list of the icons, what are there. Suppose when we go to this website, Font Awesome, and click on icons. Click on icons. After clicking on icons, click on free icons. Click on free icons. In that free icon, you can see icons, so many are there. For example, this one is here. Call it a address-card. If you call this class address-card, you will get the icon like this. Okay, suppose for example, if you call the address-book class, you will get the class icon like this, photos. If you call the some kind of, maybe below you can see Amazon, FA Amazon, you will see the Amazon symbol. If you call the angle down, angle left, angle right, angle up, you will get this kind of icons. If you call Android, then you will get Android icon. Suppose for example, we want to use in our project this one, this address book. So how to use that? If you click on this link, one pop-up window will open. In that pop-up window, it says like, if you are going to use under the HTML, then simple you have to call like this. I tag open close, and for I tag class equal to FA regular and FA hyphen book. Then it will work. If you are going to use in React, then font awesome is font awesome icon space space name of the icon. If you are going to use in Vue.js, then you have to use something else here. Correct? But since as of now we are in HTML, so we can use this syntax easily. Not only this, 2-3 more options are there. That way also we can try. Okay, so we will start from one file, that is this file, home file. Home file. Okay, or maybe you can start from icon file also. Contact file. So come to now to contact file that we have created yesterday. From your external CSS folder, you have a file called contact. Open that file in editor. Open that file in editor. After that, after opening the file in editor, in head section where you are doing the link, there only you can call one more link, rel equal to style set, href equal to icon slash css slash all dot css, icon css all dot css. Okay, hope you import the line. Link rel style set icon slash css slash all dot css. Under the icon folder, there is a CSS folder. Under that CSS folder, there is a file all dot css. That file you are calling. Now, how to use those icons? Come down here. Legend you have written before legend. Open inside the legend only. Open the I tag and close the I tag. I tag open and close right there. Class equal to FA. It is the initial class, it should be there. FA hyphen HEAD headset. So it will give you a headset symbol. Okay, it will give you headset symbol. Save the file Check the contact page. Headset symbol not came. Not came now. Some kind of icon like this. If your icon folder is organized properly, and if you call here properly, there should not be any error. If you call the icon class, it should work definitely. Icon is loading for how many people? Say yes, no in chat. Icon is loading or not? Next, after this, come down below. In the same page, the button we have written. In the button also we can add I tag. Where you want to display the icon, there you can write I tag open close and write class equal to FA. After that, FA hyphen envelope. FA hyphen envelope. Check now how that look. Envelope icon is coming. A small envelope. Now come in the same file in beginning where you have given this menus, multiple menus we are given. Before home text, open one I tag and close the I tag. Keep their class equal to FA hyphen home. It will give you home kind of icon. This class are written in that all.css file. Check once for home icon should appear. After closing the I tag, one space you should give. After closing I tag, one space we should give. Okay, hope you got the icon for the home menus. Now in contact page only, home will have icon of home. Okay, now go ahead next for the about us. In about us, give class name as fa space fa hyphen building, fa space fa hyphen building. fa space fa hyphen building. Now it will give you a building symbol for about us. For contact us, you can use the headset. For contact us, you can use the headset. 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 I tag open close and class equal to fa space headset. Go for service. For service, you can write fa space fa hyphen tools. Some kind of servicing tools icon will come. For product, you can use a class called suitcase. Suitcase. Next, for login, you can use a class called fa lock. fa hyphen lock. Hope given the icon for all the length, all the menus, icons are coming. In about page, icons is not there. In home also, icon is not there. Icon is added only in which file? Contact file. So in home page and about page, we have to add the icon too. Okay. In the menus, menus we have menus here. If you go to about page, you will not have icon because these all are the individual pages. These all are individual pages. Check, got the icons for all the menus? What is not coming? In contact is coming or not? Other pages we have to write, then it will come. Okay, so let's follow me next. What you will do? You will copy this UL, all complete UL to UL you copy. UL to UL you have to copy and replace the UL replace the UL to UL in about file. Copy the UL to UL from the which file? Contact file, and go to the about file. In about file, in about file, in about file we have UL to UL. Replace that. Replace the UL of about from the contact page, and active menu will get applied to the about. The active menu ID you should apply to the which menu? About. So icon is imported here already. All we have done copy paste. Next, in the beginning, you have to link rel equal to styles with href equal to icon slash css slash all dot css. Icon slash css slash all dot css. Hope I read. Check now. About and contact, both the page will have icons. If you run your about page, icon should be there. Contact page also the icon should be there. Similar. About page also have the icon. Contact page also have the icon. Now the same thing. UL to UL you copy from any file and paste in home also. This UL we should replace in home as well. UL to UL you can copy. Go here. Paste here. And active menu will get applied to this one. Main li, that is called home. And again you have to call here icon slash css slash all dot css. Icon css all dot css. Hope ready. Home file, about file, contact file. 3 file, icon must present, home, about, and contact. 3 files, you are getting icon. Which icon? This one, this one, this one, this one. Anyone? Icon is not loading. Okay, so no problem. Go ahead then. If it is working. Next file. In contact page, the text box we have created, button we have created. For that, some CSS is required. So open your contact page and you can see you have given the ID called input box, input box, input box. For text area also input box, and we have one button. So for this, we have to write some CSS. We can open a style.css file. We can open a style.css file. Okay, now come down. The class name is called input box. Dot input box. Now for that class, you will write some height. So it will set the height for text box 30 pixel. You will write the width 100%. Okay. Then you will write call outline none. Once you click under the text box, usually some kind of black border will come. So that is called as outline. So outline we have made none. If you click under the text box, any kind of black border will not come. Next, after that, you write here dot input box colon focus. Once you click under the input box, then border, not border, box shadow. Box shadow should get apply 0 pixel, equal gap, equal border from all side, 0 pixel, 5 pixel, or maybe 10 pixel, blue color. So blue color shadow will get applied from all the side if you click under the text box. Okay. Save now and check once. If you click here, something like this, shadow. It's called a box shadow. Now height is required little more. So height, let me increase to 32 px or 33 px. Input box, height 33 px. Little bigger. You have one text area here. The text area should be big in height. The height of text area should be bigger one. Okay, so for that we have to create one class, separate class. So write here a class called BigBox dot BigBox. Under the BigBox, keep the height 80 px. Width let it be same, only increase the height to 80 px. Okay, give the height to how much? 80 px. Now this BigBox class, we have to call for this BigBox class, we have to call for the text area. So go to the contact page. In contact page, the text area you have, input box is calling. After a space, call one more class, BigBox. So from BigBox, height will come. Height will come from the BigBox. Width will come from the input box. Height will come from the BigBox and width will come from the input box. Two classes we can call separated by a space. In between a space is required, and after that two class we can call. Save it now. Check once. Height become more, text area. Now we have to write some CSS for this button. For text area, call two classes. One is called input box, another one is called big box. Okay, ready? Let's go ahead. Next, after that, you will come to the for button purpose. In the CSS file, we can write the CSS for button directly. Button tag name BUTTON, button as a tag name. Next, after that, padding inside the button. Padding inside the button. From top 12 px. From left to right 40 px. From bottom 12 px. Padding. Background of the button blue color. The text inside the button white color. The text inside the button should be in white color. After that, border should none, else different color border will get applied. Cursor, colon pointer, When the cursor will go to the button, it should convert into pointer. Then margin hyphen top 20 px. From top there should be some gap. From top there should be some gap. Okay, hope ready. Save now. Save once. Just look like this. Now when the mouse will go here, the button should convert into different color. So we have to write a hover effect. Button colon hover. Button colon hover. Background as a red color. So when the mouse will touch the button will be converted into red color. And the mouse will touch the button will become red color. Next, after that, button colon focus. Button colon focus. When you click on button should convert into black color. By default will be blue. Mouse will touch will convert into red. If you click on that, it will convert into black. Okay, hope ready. Save it. Check now. Mouse will go red. Click black. Again, click outside will convert into blue, red. Mouse will touch red will happen. Click them. That is called hover and focus. So till contact page is ready. Now next we have to go for service. Let me know your page looks similar or something else. Okay, Rahul, I have messaged you something. You can read that message. Okay, so let's go ahead next. Next, we have to create the next file that is called service file. Service file, we'll go here. Service page we have already. Inside, we need to add the icons and then we need to design the pages here. Okay, so in service file, open the service file. We have already service file in our page. In our list, open the service file and replace the UL to UL. UL to UL you have to replace from the service file. Then active ID you have to apply for service link. Active ID you need to apply for the service link. Okay, hope ready. You have to import on the top the icon slash css slash all dot css. Icon css all dot css. Icon css all dot css. Now come down below. We have to implement remaining. So icons are coming. Now here we should have list of services. So this H1 tag you can remove from here and use a tag called section tag. Under the section tag, you will use ID equal to service block. ID equal to service block. Under the service block, you will keep here one H1. You will keep inside I. Class equal to FA hyphen tools. Now right here, our services. So icon will be in the beginning and our services will be written after the icon within the H1. Okay, our services. Save now. Now CSS we have to write for that, so that the service blocks will be in the center. Even here you are going to write a division. Class equal to service. Service, 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 service. 4 blocks we have to bring in one line. Write it, then we'll go to the CSS file. Okay, so hope HTML you have done. Come to the CSS file. Okay, so we'll come to the CSS file. First CSS will write the service block. Is the ID. Service block. Width should be 80% and margin from top 20 px, left right auto, bottom also 450 px. Service block width 80%, margin something we are given. You will find your content will come little inside. Now service block of H1. Under the service block there is a H1. H1 text align center. Text hyphen align colon center. Service block space H1 text align center. So those H1 that is under the service block should print in the middle. Okay, hopefully done. Service block of H1. Check now, is that in the center? It is in the center. Next, below we have to write the CSS for the class service. service class, we have written height, keep as a mean height. Mean height 200 px, margin 1%, padding also 1%. Okay, and 4 block we want to create in one line. So width will be 21%. 21% width will come and 4% margin padding. We will apply here box shadow 0 px, 0 px, 10 px, blue color. Next, after that, border hyphen radius 5 px. The corner will be curved, little rounded, and text align center. Text align should be center. Hope written. Float left is required. Then only it will come one after other. Without float left, it will lead to the new line. Something like this. Now in these boxes, we will keep icons, text and heading. Hope your page also look like this. Now come to the HTML page. HTML page. CSS code I sent you for service. In HTML page, in each service, we will add an icon. I class equal to fa hyphen desktop and fa hyphen 3x. After that, in one paragraph, 2 lines of small text. Don't keep big words. Similar thing, equal content, you will repeat in all the divisions. Desktop envelope, FAFA desktop, FAFA envelope. Add first two block. Okay, now come down. Same thing you will do for the third one. Headset you can use. Headset. Next you can use called building. So these all are the classes we use. You can sequence. Paragraph is same. See, every service have the similar content. Only the icon class name is different. One place we have added desktop. Second place envelope. Third place headset. And fourth place is a building. Save now. Sequence. Oh, icon is coming. Okay, icons are coming. So we require to keep some padding from top, more space from top side. Or this is also fine. We can change the color of the icons, red, green, blue, orange, everywhere. And we can increase the size. 3x change to 4x. And keep here call blue class. We have to write a blue class. Here also keep as a 4x. Keep here call headset in the sense green class. Do this to place. 4x green, 4x blue. Everywhere 4x we have to give. Everywhere 4x and then green, blue, orange. Orange. And the first one you keep 4x. And keep this one as some other icon. Dark blue or maybe dark red. We have to write this class as dark red, orange, green, and blue. Dark red, orange, green, and blue. Okay, check now. Size will get increased. Color has to change. So written dark red, then which one? Orange, then which one? Green, then which one? Blue. These all are the name of the classes. We have to write under the style.css file. So go to the style.css file, write a class called dark red, color dark red. Next class is called green. Next class is called blue. Next is called orange. Class also you will give the same. Green, blue, orange. If this classes, okay, hope you written. Check your page. Different color combination is coming. It should look like this. Service class, you can write one over here. Dot service colon over. Box shadow, change different color. Red color. And cursor convert into pointer. Cursor convert into pointer. Okay, happening. Save now. See, mouse will go. Which color will come? Red color. Without mouse, some different color. Shadow, if you want, you can increase. 10 convert into 50. It will become more shadow. 10 convert into 50. It will become more shadow. Something like this. Then see you tomorrow.